oppression and the oppressors. Brothers and sisters, it is with great honor and privilege that I present to you the leader of the from Libya,
France Flight 8969 was hijacked en route to Algiers and forced to fly to Marseille. 4 Islamic militants held the 171 passengers and crew hostage. During the hijacking, 3 hostages were executed. The French equivalent of SWAT, the GIGN, immediately. Using a staircase unit, it stormed the plane. All 4 terrorists took cover in the cockpit. They were heavily armed with automatic weapons and explosives. As the GIGN entered, a gun battle ensued at a distance of only 5 feet. The muzzle flashes can be seen in this footage through the cockpit window. 1 terrorist was instantly killed and another was wounded. Several GIGN members. Incredibly, the co-pilot managed to jump to freedom. As the gun battle raged, other GIGN members succeeded in rescuing the hostages from the rear of the plane. GIGN members then attempted to throw an explosive through the cockpit window, but it missed the mark. The terrorists retaliated by throwing a grenade, injuring 2 of the GIGN. Another assault began as a grenade was thrown into the plane. As the GIGN advanced, an AK-47 round struck the muzzle of an officer's gun and detonated its ammunition. He was seriously injured and fell down the stairs. GIGN attacked again with explosives. This time, the blast hit its mark. After 22 minutes and 400 rounds, the plane was finally secured. 169 passengers and crew were rescued, 12 with minor injuries. 10 members of the GIGN were wounded, and all 4 terrorists were killed.